The helicopter is acting stupid. But look at it. It's just stand there. And one little stunt. Whoa!
He moves fast.
I'm gonna get away from him.
The cop is being stupid.
Staying at one little spot, not even trying to chase him. That's because he's busted. He's broken down.
Why can't they move that? Come on.
Listen to the siren. Who's siren? Cop's siren.
Cop is not having a siren.
The helicopter's being stupid.
Watch out! Oh, so you can press the like that. See, that's me. That's me. Right there.
It's real, right?
Yep. But you saw with the cop. So close. Ouch. Thanks for me. Thanks for the business. No. Why do you go buzzing?
Who?
Cop. What the fuck? What the heck, man? What the heck? Oh, what? He ran into me.
Watch out for the spike strip.
What? Oh, snap!
Cop hit it. Cop is stopped.
You didn't think that was me for a second?
No?
Not even 1 second.
The cop is being mean.
Look. That was me that ran into the wall. For the tree.
This ain't me, this is the cop.
Shut up.
I am a cop. I'm a super undercover cop.
Shut up. It's exactly the same.
That would be funny if there was a super undercover cop that looked the same. He like skirts me.
I don't even know the name. Spike strap! You got busty.
Stop. It looks like a real cop is leaving on your screen.
There's the cop. Stout was a real cop, bro.
I know.
And just passing too. Look how you're passing. That was good. Whoa! Whoa! Sticky, I got